Let's take the door panel off this 05 Chevy Equinox. You have one Phillips head screw behind the handle. We want to go ahead and take that out. Then remove that cover. Next, this silver trim right here is held in with clips. We want to start at the back because it slides in the front. 10mm socket because we have two 10 mils holding together the handle. Take your panel removal tool, come up here at the bottom, get behind that panel, start releasing those clips. And then the door panel is just gonna fall off like that because there's no harnesses hooked up to it. We have three 7mm holding in this speaker. Now the speaker harness that's used for this is a 729,000. The customer did not get it, so we're gonna have to hardwire it. So first thing I want to do is actually de-pin the harness. That way I can slide my heat shrink over the wires before I do my military splice. We're gonna use our automatic wire strippers to strip the wire back, use something of a small profile to poke a hole inside the wire, then wrap our wire through the hole and then wrap it around, add some solder. Once we get done soldering those wires, we're gonna slide our heat shrink down, heat that up so everything looks all nice and neat, and then we're going to put the connector right back on to bring it back to a factory state, and then we're going to add our aftermarket speaker. And even though it ended up looking pretty good, it would have been a lot easier if we just had the right speaker harness. So hit me up if you want to find out what goes for your vehicle.